Good day everybody. In our previous tutorial, we were able to install VmWareFusion on Mac. So this is the same process for Apple Silicon and Intel. Today we'll be installing Window11, which is the newest release. The first step is to click on this plus button and say new. So once you click this new, you select create a custom virtual machine and say continue. You choose the operating system you want. For us, we are installing Window11, but before you do, you need to download your Window11 ISO file from Microsoft or any version of Windows you want to install. You click on next. I'll prefer use UEFI. What I will do, I'll say auto generate password. I'll just say next. If you want to use existing disk, you can download it from Microsoft again, but the procedure is a bit longer. So for the purpose of this demo, I will just say create a new virtual disk. We'll say continue, and this is the system parameter. If you check the summary, it's telling us it's a 4 gig memory. It's going to use NAT. It's going to use 2 CPU, and the hard disk is 64 gig. Basically, this is enough for me, but if I had wanted to change it, any of these parameters, I can just click on customize this. But for my own case, I'll just change it to, I'll change the name BTSS Window11. Okay. I'll leave it in the default location. Okay. Is there anything? I'll allow it to run. So, am I changing anything? In general, start automatically when Fusion. No, I don't want it to start automatically when Fusion starts. Okay, I'm not changing anything. I think I'm okay with what I have here. That is okay. What can I change? Just anything you feel like changing. I have I want to enable shared point because I have a directory on my local host on the Mac itself, which I want to share. So this is BTSS share. So I like using it so that I can access it from the host and the guest. Okay. Okay, that is fine. What else am I adding? Just to get, just say settings. Right click and change settings. Is there anything? So basically, choose anything you want. 2 processor. Okay, 2 processor is okay, but I can make it 3. And how many gig? I'm using 4 gig. Let me put it to like, which is fine. Just like, but it's okay. Just play around anything you want based on whatever you want. USB. What else? So basically, after selecting your setup the way you want, if you want to change the hard disk size, you can change anything you want. SATA disk. Okay. Okay, that is okay. And it's 60 gig. You play around with everything you have here. If there's anything you want here, you can change it and select and do whatever you want. So once you are done, we have to choose the operating system, which we have downloaded before. I know that this. Okay, BTSS shit here. Then I'll look for my disk, which is my Window11 22H ISO file. I'll open it. So that is where my let me start up. Just press enter. Click on next. If your language is okay, you can choose any language, any country, time and currency format. Okay, I'm a Nigerian, so let me go for my Nigerian whatever. Yes. I'm a Nigerian pidgin Latin man. Okay, I can now install. Let me see how they will speak the pidgin to us. Okay, for now I don't have product key, so I can just move on. I think I'll prefer for, which one is this? Which one do I choose? I think I prefer Pro for workstation. Window 10 Pro. Okay, I'll choose this. License agreement. Next. I'm not doing upgrade, I'm doing fresh installation by using all the space, 64 gig. Just give it some time and the installation will finish soon. Just give it a little time, the installation will finish. The system is getting ready. Just give it a few minutes and we'll be done. Window is starting just a moment. Just allow it to run and we'll be fine. This is Windows 11 running on Mac. Okay. Yeah, we are Nigerians. Yes, you are right. Our keyboard is US. Yeah, correct. Do you want a second keyboard layout? No, skip. Windows is checking for updates. Just give it a moment to soon finish. Sit back and relax while the magic happens. Okay, I'm giving it a good name. So what Windows does is it kind of reboots several times as it sets up. So just give it a moment. We'll soon be done. I don't want this tutorial to be too long. So it's only the installation of Windows I will just show. My next tutorial will be how to install Linux on Mac or on any virtual machine. They are basically the same thing, but I just want us to learn it on Mac because we often find it difficult to install most of these things on Mac. It's for personal use, it's not for school. Okay, let me say, what do I use to log in? Personalized window experience. Okay, let me sign in. Let me see what it's going to give me. Then I can see a lot of productivity suits here, man. If you want to get me, just get me by naturebySam@yahoo.com. That's mine. Yeah. My email is naturebySam@yahoo.com. You can drop me a mail in case you need any assistance or any help on any of my tutorials. I'll be able to help. The other thing is, if there's any topic, any technology you want me to do video on, any technology you want me to do video on, just let me know. I will be more than happy to get it done. I'm checking on my Yahoo Mail so that I can get the key to enable me login. This is what we call single sign-on, a situation where you sign on in one platform and you can use that username and password to log into any device, any Google use it, Microsoft use it. We also have BTSS Digital have that product in case you are interested in single sign-on for your company, for your office, for your organization. You use a single sign-on, maybe your email or whatever. Okay, it's trying to use my. Okay, that's fine. No, I don't want to restore. I need a. Okay. I'm trying to pick from my. What do I do? Should I do more? No, I don't know. I don't want. Okay. Let me use this. This is my favorite. So basically, we are done. Everything here is just normal click next and create a pin. Yes. So these features are not in Windows 10, 7 downward, but this is just what they put in Windows 11. So that's why we're just doing all this. What they want is that they want all your Windows system to be linked and to be connected. Okay. I'm skipping all these other things because they are personal use. They are not really part of the tutorial. I don't need it because I'm not. This tutorial is just for training. It's not for any other thing. It's just, I will not use this environment again. It's just for you to train. And the only thing I will use this environment is just to install Java, because the main this series is just for Java training. So after the installation, after this, we'll install Linux. After that, we'll install Java on Linux and Java on Windows and Java on Mac. Then before we go into the Java tutorial properly. The reason I don't want us to get a gap, we need to install a new laptop, install whatever you have on it, and move on gradually. I don't want there to be a gap in the learning process, so that and even if there's a little gap, just ask your question. I'll be more than happy to answer you. And if there's any technology you want me to showcase, be it any technology in digital, I'm into software. I'm a T24 consultant. I'm a Java developer. I also do I do Angular, I do Python. Yeah, this is our Windows. And we are ready. So we'll use the key to enter. Hi. With that sound, we are done with the installation of Windows 11 on Mac using VmWare Fusion. That is all.